The 16-gauge high-flow needle is a two-part needle, an inner trocar and an outer blunted cannula. Begin with skin prep per your institution's protocol. Palpate the borders of the port. Make sure you have a finger-tight connection. Insert the needle perpendicular to the port until it makes contact with the bottom of the port reservoir. Release the lure to free the inner trocar. Grasp the outer cannula on the ribs. Advance a second time until the back of the port is felt. Prepare to remove your inner trocar and attach your existing tubing.